Arnalyn, the vegetable in Arabic. What is the Arabic of vegetables? Khudrawat, cauliflower,
Karnabet.
carnabet, the cabbage, lettuce, khas, carrots. Carrots is jazar, garlic,
Garlic is
garlic is
Tom.
thumb, ginger,
Ginger is Zan Zanhabel.
Janjabel,
Janjabel.
potatoes,
Batata.
onion,
Basil.
pepper,
Filfil.
tomatoes,
Tamatem.
cucumber,
Kia.
khiyar, eggplant,
Badhinjad.
okra,
Bamiya.
saluyot,
Molokia.
molokia, squash,
Karal.
karaan. Mashallah, congratulations, palakpan natin.